Hi, and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. My name's Emily Zimmer, and I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. In this one, I'm going to teach you a simple chord progression with a simple strum pattern. Now, many of the chord progressions that I'm going to teach you are in lots of different songs. So once you've got a few of these under your belt, you're going to be able to play lots of popular songs because you'll have the skills to be able to play those chord progressions. The one that we're going to look at today contains 3 chords. The first one's going to be A minor, and the next one is going to be a G chord, and finally a C chord. Now this chord progression is in lots of fun songs like, for example, Riptide by Vance Joy and many others. So let's put kind of an indie folky strum pattern to it, and I'll show you how many times to play each chord. Let's try the strum pattern just on A minor to start. It's going to be like this. Down, 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 up, and then repeat. Let's try that on my count and make sure that your 2 down strums are long and your down ups are short. So we have long, long, short, 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 short. Here we go. Ready, and down, 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 up, down, up again. Again. One more time. Practice that as much as you need to get the groove down. Now let's add our second chord. Second chord is going to be a G, and we're going to do the same pattern. Down, 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 up, down, up. And the last chord is going to be C. And let's try the groove on C. Ready, and down, 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 up, down, up. Now that you've got your 3 chords, we're going to put them all together. Now each time I do one pattern, that's called one measure, unless your pattern is more than 1 measure long. In this case it's not. And 1 measure in this case is also every time I count to 4. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 to start so you can understand how fast we're going to go. Now listen carefully. This is how many times you do each chord. There's going to be 1 measure or 1 pattern of A minor, 1 measure or 1 pattern of G, and 2 measures or 2 patterns of C, and then we repeat. We're going to try that slowly twice in a row. So wait for my count and put your fingers on A minor already, so you're ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. And A minor. Switch to G. And 2, and 3, and 4. And switch to C. And 2, and 3. Twice as long here. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now repeat. A minor. Here's G. And C. And 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now practice it at that tempo until you can feel really nice and confident. For those who are ready, let's go ahead and try that a little faster, and we're going to do 4 times through this time. So we're going to go about 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here we go. 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, G, C. Second time. Third time. last time. Keep practicing, and then you've got your first nice 3-chord progression. See you next time. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time we have a new lesson up. See you next time.